He's getting further. Bye. Only 600 more feet to go. That's awesome. He's probably at the place where we have some pretty big trees right now. The only pretty big trees that we have, really. But that looks really nice. I can't wait to have just like a path going down here to the back of the property and just walking through the trees. We have another path going diagonally, but we just really want one down the property line so that we can actually see what's happening, you know, and get places faster instead of going just around this way to the back of the property. Now we can also go this way to the back and then just do like a big circle.